dolls, so today I'm going to be teaching you or showing you, I hate to use the word teaching as if I'm some type of teacher. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you how to make this gorgeous pumpkin wreath DIY. I got the pumpkin from Dollar Tree and the wire, and I'm going to be making the most glamorous like pumpkin you've ever seen. Like I see pumpkins all the time at Home Goods and places that I go and shop at and Burlington's, but I never like quite find the one that is like quite for me. And I know that sounds really weird, but I never do. Like I never find one that, like I do, like I find cute ones, but the one I'm about to make is going to be so girly, so cute, and so cheap to make. That's the most important part. So I guess grab your coffee. Wait, have we got some coffee? Wait, it's the wrong way round. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video.
Could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life and I ding dong, if I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Say that most of the stuff that I have in this video, the wire is from Dollar Tree, the flowers are off of Amazon. You can use Dollar Tree flowers if you want to. I just don't find them just, they're not the greatest flowers, and for the same price you can get stuff on Amazon much cheaper and better quality. So I don't really use Dollar Tree flowers. I'm gonna put that out there now, but the wire is from Dollar Tree, and like other little things in the video will be from Dollar Tree. I'll let you know what I'm using in the video, and I'll put the links for the flowers in the comment section, well, in the description box, and I'll have everything pinned for you to go and get them. So make yourself comfortable and let's do this glam, gorgeous, pretty wired wreath, and I just can't wait to make it, dolls. Let's do this. You're going to need this from Dollar Tree, and they're very rare to find, as I was saying in the beginning of this video. This is a wire wreath they have at Dollar Tree. Only $1, and you only need one of them. I actually wanted two, but they didn't have any more. You can only find it online now in my area. So this is this. You're going to need these. I mean, this is optional. This is what I'm going to use. This is also from Dollar Tree. It says thankful harvest and welcome, and I'm going to be spray painting this with this. I'm going to be spray painting both of them. And this is optional, but I found this at Dollar Tree and I thought this might work really good on here. It's part of their full collection. I was able to find two of these pieces. I believe it's part of their Christmas collection, but I mean, these still grow in the fall, so I mean, these still, you see this in the fall, so I think this is more fall than Christmas. I don't know, but I'm going to be using this. I found this at Dollar Tree as well. It's like a garland. It's a wire garland. I also found these pearls at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using them as well, and they have some bigger ones. So I'm going to use the bigger ones too. And these are the 10mm, and they have ones that are slightly bigger than this one, so I'm going to mix up those as well. This bow that I'm going to be using, this is actually a headband, and I bought it off of AliExpress. They have some on Amazon, and I'm going to be using it on my pumpkin. Very cheap, and I just took the hair clip off the end, but you can also use a hair clip to attach it onto the pumpkin, so the hair clip does help in this DIY. And these are the flowers I'm going to be using. They are on Amazon, and I'm going to have it linked down below. So they're like muff pinks, and they're going to go in an ombre to these light pinks. And I think they're just gorgeous, and I just can't wait to use them. And I might use some of the Dollar Tree flowers that I have laying around as well, but I love these ones. They're on Amazon, they're very affordable, and to me they're prettier. As you can see, they're like foam. They're more prettier than the Dollar Tree flowers. So we're going to get started now. First, I'm going to be using my Rust-Oleum spray paint, and I'm going to be spraying this the pumpkin, and I'm also going to be spray painting these signs. And I think I'm going to be using, the one I'm going to spray is going to be the harvest sign. I think that's the one I'm going to do. Or thankful. Let's do thankful. I don't know, I'll decide. So first I'm just going to figure out which one I'm going to be using for this. I'm not sure I like all of them. I'm going to use my Rust-Oleum spray paint, and I'm going to shake it first. And I'm going to give all of these at least 2 coats of gold paint. I'm going to give it one last coat and then take it inside to dry. So I've spray painted the pumpkin and I have it on my table ready to go. I also spray painted the signs as well. I took the welcome one out because I just don't want the welcome one. I'm going to probably do thankful because, you know, Thanksgiving is coming up. I'm just deciding between thankful and harvest which one to go for. You know what, I was realizing that you can actually just make one, just spray paint it gold and just have this and have your bow like right here. If you're really simple, you can do something like this and just keep it very simple, you know. But we're not simple over here, we like extra, so extra that I went and got, oh my god, my camera almost just fell. So extra that I went and got some lace from a wedding dress I was working on. And I might use a bit of lace, I don't know, we'll decide. I wish it was more cream than white. So that is glued now. Oh my god, it looks so pretty already. So now I'm going to, I was thinking of having harvest right there. Oh my goodness, it looks gorgeous. I love that. I was thinking of even having it to the side, but I love it right there. It's just figuring out how to glue this. Like, I might not be able to glue it. I probably have to sew it on, like using a clear thread. But that's just so much work. Or I can just have it like this, just hooked like this. But no, I really want it to stay permanent. So for that reason, I might have to use Thankful instead, because Thankful is longer, but we shall see. Supplemax, and you can get it on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below, and it's just a clear thread. And basically, if you look carefully, I used it to hook this sign onto the top here. And the reason why I did that is because if I glue it, it's going to come off. And you're not going to see all these wires. I'm going to cut it a little bit so you don't see all this stuff. But I'm also going to put some of the flowers there to mask that. So that's where some of the flowers will. So ignore my messy background. This is my DIY area. So I just want to show you what I did off camera. So I got the smaller flowers and I just mixed them up and did that in the corner. And what I'm going to do now is use those darker flowers at the bottom here. So it's almost like giving this ombre effect and not covering it all with flowers, so you can still see the gold detail, because I do love that gold detail. It just is so cute, and I love pink and gold. So we're going to show, like, I'm going to show you how I do, like here. I'm just going to like go from here and kind of just go up, so we can have flowers in that corner, flowers in that corner, and then I can just put some pearls. I'm still deciding whether I want to use this piece here or not. I don't know. So I did all of this off camera. I finished this one down here, this part of it. I decided I'm going to use some lace. I found some cream lace because I decided I'm not going to use this anymore because it's going to just make it too much. I want it to be very dainty and pretty. So I found some cream lace and I'm going to just have it across here like this. I'm just going to have it going across, like just sitting on top of this part here, because it just gives me this shabby chic vibe that I like. And by the way, I found two things that I need to tell you that are very important. So I ended up sewing the wire, the clear wire, onto the bow, behind the bow. So that keeps it very secure. Like right now this end is secure, this end is not as secure, but I'm going to just leave it. But it also kind of hides it a bit as well. And I also found out that when you get to where this part is, like where it's really, really wide, it's not really going to sit well if you glue it. So what I'll say is don't cut the stem, just wrap it around the wire. So that's why you have the stem. So when you get to like where it's a really big space, like as you can see, the flower's not going to glue to anything. So the best thing is to just wrap it around. Like I have this one wrapped around, some of them are wrapped around. And yeah, so I'm going to continue what I'm doing. And I'm gonna just, what did I say I was gonna do next? I'm gonna glue this on, and I also have the bag of pearls I showed you at the beginning from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna just like put bits of them, like space it out, points like in the middle. So I'm gonna do that on camera so you can see. I'm gonna glue those in the middle, so like across, just space them out like that, just on the wire, and then I'll be done. Oh my god, like it's so cute. I love it, dolls. Oh my goodness, it's turning out so pretty. I can't wait to hang this. This is like my best wreath ever and my best pumpkin ever. Okay, so I've put the lace on, as you can see, and I did one at the top right here. It's starting to look so beautiful, but I feel like there needs to be a little bit more flowers. So I'm just going to go in one last time and add the flowers. I'm going to do that on camera, just like make fullness at the top and a little bit more like coming towards this way, like tapering right here. I'm just going to leave that at the top like on its own because of the lace right here. I'm just going to leave it as it is, but it looks so gorgeous already. Now I'm just going to finish everything off. So now I'm thinking of, so I've done all the flowers, as you can see. Now I'm thinking of adding this trim that I got on Amazon, and I'm thinking just adding like here and then pearls. So like one with this rhinestone, one and pearls. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. You know how extra I am. So I'm going to do, let's test the pearls first. If it doesn't work out, I'm thinking of doing the pearls maybe in the flowers. That's another idea. So let's just test. Oh, it actually looks good. Let's do the pearls. So yeah, let's go. Look at this. It looks so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm about to add the pearls in between the flowers to complete this look. Oh my goodness, you cannot buy this in a shop. This is stunning. Oh my god, this might be my favorite DIY of 2021. It might just be. I cannot stop looking at it. I want to replicate this for Christmas. Oh my god. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, we're gonna add some pearls in between the flowers and then we'll be done. I just can't stop staring at this. Oh my goodness. decided to add this pumpkin and this pumpkin next to it, and it looks so stunning. Like, oh my god. And what I love about this is you can hang it, so I can get like a pink ribbon and just hang it. You know, you can have it at your door, you can have it at the, you know, anywhere, but you can just hang it. And I like it sitting right now, but I'm going to definitely hang it. But I had to put like my other two favorite pumpkins next to it, and then my pumpkin candle. Oh my goodness, this looks so fall and just, oh, so glamorous. So I just can't stop staring at it, dolls. It's so beautiful. It came out better than I imagined it will. And I just love it. It's just such a beautiful DIY, and it matches the rest of my setup here. So I'm going to take a bunch of pictures and I'll do the outro now. It's just so stunning. I can't stop staring at it, dolls. Oh my goodness. I am loving every bit of my table now. Wow. It's time to grab some coffee and enjoy the fall vibes. I hope you dolls enjoy making this, because I surely did, and I just want to make it in more colours next year. But I'm loving the pink and just how glamorous everything looks. So I'm going to grab my coffee and I'm now going to enjoy the rest of today and just enjoy my gorgeous pumpkin wreath. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, time to enjoy this now. So much for watching this video, dolls. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. If you're going to be making this gorgeous wreath, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to see your wreath and see how it turned out. Also tag me on Instagram if you made it, so I can see how yours turned out. I love seeing when you dolls like recreate a lot of my DIYs that I put out there. And yeah, I can't wait to, you know, do more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you, dolls. Mooches. Bye.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm plans would come true, and I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I think I'm la-lang-la-lang-a-lang, boom-ba-do, ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Oh, and I think I'm la-lang-la-lang-a-lang, boom-ba-do, ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Oh, life, and I think I'm, if I could take you up in boom, boom, go, shaboom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping to meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I think I'm plans would come true, and I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so